I love this girl, but she doesn't like me.
When people genuinely like you and you keep turning them down, how do you expect another person to reciprocate the affection that is radiating within you?
Father, if this is about the princesses, I am not interested.
You're
Yes,
what?
I am not.
What about my daughters?
Your Majesty, what is pleasant surprise? You're welcome to my abode.
This is not the time for pleasantries.
Greetings, Your Majesty. What do you want here?
What does your son want from my daughters?
Absolutely nothing.
I wasn't talking to you.
When the queen speaks, you just keep quiet and listen.
Your son has brought so much squabble between my daughters. What exactly does he want from them? He had better make his choice. And pretty fast, for that matter.
I am not interested in any of your daughters. I don't love any of them.
You listen to me. The king and I are ready to give you the necessary support you will need.
Good idea.
But please decide on which one you're going to marry, because you will definitely not marry the two sisters.
I am not interested in any of the princesses.
So the queen came to threaten you just for you to settle for one of his desperate daughters.
Honestly speaking, I'm disappointed in the queen.
So who is the best man here? A woman will do anything in her power to let him marry her daughter.
But he made me feel like I wasn't man enough or good enough for any woman.
I'm sorry. I never knew you felt that way. Oh, but jokes apart, what are you going to do about the queen's threat?
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing? No. You need to be very careful. Like, you need to be extremely careful. Okay? I don't want you running into problem with the queen and the majesty.
Trust me, everything is under control.
I kind of like him, Sha.
There is nothing like Sha. I knew you would like him if you listened and knew the kind of person he was.
Hey! Oh, no problem. I like him and thank you for letting me stay true.
Thank you too. You know, if it were some people, they want to make a fuse out of nothing. The very first day they saw both of us at that very close range.
No, you don't have to say that. You're my sister. You always have my back. I just have a problem, honestly. It's just the queen persuading him to settle for one of the princesses. And I'm not really happy about it.
You know, my mother told me that the first princess is betrothed to the prince of Ojadike.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, the queen... Ah, who is this? You workaholic. What are you doing here?
You don't know him? He's the prince.
What are you saying? Have you forgotten I told you this is the big head I've been telling you about that we used to be best friends before you answered the question?
It's okay, enough. I know her already. No need for further explanation. Charity.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
No. Don't tell me you know this humanizer.
Humanizer, I beg your pardon. Wait a minute. Francisca, what did you just say?
Humanizer.
You called me a womanizer.
Are you not?
The prince of this land.
Are you not?
No respect,
Okay.
no regard. Well, don't mind your cousin here. I am not a womanizer. Okay, just that back then in school, girls were flocking around me.
Okay.
But right now, I'm a gentleman. Okay, I know what I am doing. So, beautiful ladies, where are you people going?
We are taking a walk.
Exactly.
Walk.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay. Why not you guys hop in my ride? Let me take you to a more befitting place where we can drink, eat, and have fun.
All right.
Come on. Come in. You, Kiki,
Oh, I'm sorry.
come here.
Sorry.
Uh-huh. All right. Let's rock and roll, girls. Sit back, please.
Integrity.
Thoroughly embarrassed. I felt like I was a failed mother.
What, mother? Why would you say that?
Why would I say that? When you both were busy throwing yourselves at Samadina. What? Me? No, why would he tell a lie against me? I would never do that. Who the hell does he think he is? That's a lie. That's a lie. Which is a lie? It is the truth. Is it a lie, Adesa?
No, Mom. He's actually saying the truth.
Well, that brings me to what I am about to tell you, which is why I called for this meeting. You both, first of all, are sisters. And then, you're royalty. People should come to you, not the other way around. Do not throw yourselves at people. People come to you. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Mommy. We're so sorry, Mom. Please, forgive us. It will never happen again. Please, Mom.
Forgive us. I can only hear one person asking for forgiveness. But be that as it may, you have to understand your position in this world aside from your kingdom. Your blue blood, royalty. You do not condescend. Rather, you rise above everyone. Let people come to you. Let them acknowledge what and who you are. It is your destiny. Please, I beg of you. I need you to have that at the back of your mind. Alright?
Yes.
Hey, Auntie, I think it's time for me to open the back of the chicken.
Don't even try. Francisca, don't even try. Don't
Try
try.
what? I should not try what?
Please. What is happening here? Don't even try what?
Auntie,
Remember, we don't start what we cannot finish.
no, I turn at Auntie. Don't worry.
So out with it.
So, this I'm about to say right now, it's just sweeting me. Auntie, my butt is just sweeting me. Do you know why?
Don't try it.
Because it's good news. Yeah. So, Prince Mezier and your daughter here are dating in secret. Yeah, they're dating.
Really?
Of course.
Chacha, is that true? This is good news. But when do you intend telling your mother?
Auntie, you know very well that Prince Mezier has always been my friend, right from childhood, right?
Yeah.
And he tells me everything. So he told me that he loves your daughter. Yeah. And they have been seeing each other.
Chacha. So you and Prince Mezier were having affairs behind me. You didn't tell me. Nemuroge. Oh, Mama. Why?
Mama, I don't know what you're talking about. People should leave me alone, please.
Okay.
We should leave you alone.
Mama, I'm saying the truth though. I know you trust me more than Chacha.
So Ikowago with Prince Mezier. Ikowago. I'll show you Prince Oku.
Mama, you should leave me alone. You should leave me alone.
Hey! No, for one thing.
Mama, you know I can't lie to you.
I trust you. I know you now.
Saying the truth.
Your Majesty, In exactly 4 market days from today, the Ofala festival will begin in earnest. I think it will be wise for you to use this golden opportunity to relate with the council about your heart desire concerning this year's Ofala. No, go ahead. Your Majesty, thank you. Others of our land. No. On the king's permission, it is the most wonderful, earnest desire of the king that this year's Ofala be for everyone. Both Diggs and Harris are involved in this year's Ofala. So it's the king's heart desire.
Yes, well, Ofala Festival is the king's event. And the king is the only person that can select the people that's worthy to come to grace the event.
That's right.
Your Majesty, I still don't understand the rationale behind making this open for everyone. And I am here. In Amadike Kingdom, we have tradition, and we are the custodian of our tradition. How can you just change the tradition just like that? Your Majesty.
I want to believe that you're not questioning my authority. But all the same, this kingdom has existed in several years. And in all these years, our people who are supposed to be participants of the same culture and tradition are being excluded in the things that concerns Ofala celebration. So after due consideration, I deem it wise that our people must be included in this year Ofala celebration, and that is final. I have spoken.
Brothers of our land, I think Igwe has a point. It is high time our people be brought closer to their own concern and tradition. If you think deeply, you will agree with the king that it's about a good history that is going to be made when everybody is involved. So I agree.
Well, if this is what the Igbo wants, we the elders and council will stand and respect the decision.
You don't have tradition. No,
You don't have to. It's not what you think. It's not what you think.
You don't have tradition.
Well, it is our tradition.
Well, my people, now that you are with me, I have nothing to say but thanks. I appreciate your understanding. Your father is going to be for everybody.
I thought of
it. Cheers for the new dog.
Just for that.
Just for that. You believe him?
Cheers for the new dog.
Cheers.
Adesi.
What is your problem? I said, what is your problem? I thought we've had this agreement that I am no longer interested. Leave me alone. Ogini.
Just like that? I mean, Adesi, can you hear yourself speak? What wrong have I done to you? Listen, Adesi, I love you so much. Adesi, can we just sit and make things right, please?
Sit and make what right? There is nothing for us to sit down and make right here. If I have to put it in your T-score, it's for me to tell you that I, Princess Adeze, I am no longer interested in you. I don't love you. Not anymore. Leave me alone. Are you hearing me? Just stop disturbing me.
Adeze.
What rubbish.
Adeze.
I sincerely want to apologize my daughter's recent weird behavior. You know, I've tried severally to make her change her mind, but she's adamant. And I really do not know what to do.
It's okay, Your Majesty. Adaeze has made her point. I think we all should just respect her decision, that's it.
What? You will give up? You will give up just like that?
What would you have me do?
You would let another man have your wife to be Onowo's son, the footballer?
Adaeze is saying Somadi now.
Not on that note.
How dare you barge into my room? How dare you? Now get out.
So this is it. This is it, you cheap slut! You think I would not know? You think I would not know, Adaeze? You told me you needed some time to clear your head, whereas you've been saying somebody now behind my back. How dare you?
Oh, I see. So this is it, right? So this cheap prostitute here fed you with all this, and you have the guts to come into my room, to open your mouth and brab. Now leave my room.
Oh, you just shut up!
Get out!
Get out! You shut up your mouth, Adaeze!
Leave my room.
Listen, you cannot bring disgrace to my family name because of a commoner. If you try that, I swear to God I will kill you with my bare hands. Are you mad?
Kill me?
You're just slut! That is what you are!
Afam, what temerity! You call my daughter names in her father's house.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. But do you know what she did?
It is inconsequential now. What matters is my daughter's happiness. And that is my word. Now you go tell your father that this relationship is over.
What? Your Highness.
I hold your father to the highest esteem. This relationship has been for ages, or please. Their peace, their happiness is my word.
Your Majesty, is that all you can say?
You may leave.
I should leave? My father, the king, will hear of this.
Please leave. Wait.
Listen to me, you. Let this be your last stroke. Get this into your skull.
Leave! Leave my room before I do something crazy!
Baby, you are betrothed
Please!
to a crown prince. Stop all this nonsense. This Ofala festival is not only for the nobles, but for both peasants and have-nots. Everybody is equal.
What? What? Where? What hospital? Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Mom?
Well, the rally is already on. The youths are not giving up this time around. They know what they want.
But we really need change, you know. Well,
Mom,
Mona.
Mom, you can't believe. Afam.
What is it? What happened?
Afam got involved in an accident.
What?
Yes.
When?
A while ago, they just called me. I was just informed.
Oh my God.
This is
Very serious. It's very serious. Adaze, come, let's go to the hospital and see him at once.
Go to where? To do what? Mom, can you imagine?
What do you mean, can you imagine? It's Afam we're talking about here. A man that you're supposed to get married to.
Mom, we're not married. After all, she's been the one interested in Afam all this while. So you can go ahead and see him. Don't disturb me, please.
What are you saying? We're talking about Afam. You know what? I don't blame you. I blame myself for coming to tell you.
Did you tell me? You told Mom. Mom, can you imagine Nena forcing me to go to where I don't want to go to?
No, I can't imagine. Must you be so rude? Is it not the man you're supposed to be getting married to?
Please, we're not married.
You don't have to be married to go and check out what's going on.
It's alright. Call Adeza for me.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Dad, you sent for me.
Yes, my pal. How are you today?
I'm very well, Dad.
My dear, you see the Ofala ceremony. The celebration is coming up in no distant time. Are you aware?
Yes, Dad, I'm aware.
Now, while we are preparing for the Ofala, I would like you, my daughter, to have your mind set on the forthcoming traditional marriage between you and Prince Afam.
Dad, I...
You! Nena, what is chasing you?
And there's this wickedness. Her wickedness is what is chasing me, Father.
And what does that mean?
Father, can you believe that Afam was involved in a motor accident that almost took his life? And I informed Adeze about it. She did nothing. She was unbothered, unconcerned about it. What such wickedness?
How does that qualify my daughter as a wicked woman? How?
Daddy, ask her again. Ask her. What's your problem, Nena? What's your problem? What have I done to you? Can't you just allow me to have peace? You're becoming a thorn in my flesh.
Well, I am just getting...
Will you stop it? Will you get out of my sight now before I lose it? All legs and no brain.
Like, seriously, Dad?
What is all this? You people would let me have my peace. You don't want me to eat this apple or what?
Daddy, it's Nena. She's the problem here.
My precious Jewel, what troubles you?
Mother, why does Father like taking sides with Adeze?
So, what's going on between you and your father?
Why does Father despise me? Why does he talk down on me, scold me, especially when it has to do with Adeze? Why?
Your point exactly?
Fine. I am just coming back from the hospital where I went to see her, remember?
Yes.
I was so furious that Adeze didn't show up, so when I got back, I attacked her.
You attacked Adeze? I can't believe this. Don't you realize she's your elder sister? How many times have I told you to accord her some respect? Besides, you know she's your father's favorite. He has so much respect for her.
What about me? Am I not his daughter?
Of course you are. But the point is that you keep attacking. You keep attacking Adeze at any slightest provocation. And Adeze never attacks back. Rather, she sits there and you just keep messing her up. She is older than you. You need to respect her.
That is not the point.
What is the point?
The point is that he always supports her. Yeah!
Why are you calling my name?
Stop it! Stop it!
find my present. Mom, I've taken a lot from her.
I understand. It's okay, Tessa. You shouldn't have done that. She's your younger sister. You should know better.
Mom, I've taken a lot. What have I done to her? She's always on my neck.
I understand. But you need to understand her. Alright? You're the senior one here. You grow above her mistakes, okay? You just calm down, I'll talk to her. That was exactly what I was doing before you came in. Alright?
I'm sorry, Mom.
It's okay. Adese is not a guy in here. Onye na-aza Adese. Onwe fechikuti hen onya. Onem. It's okay.
Dad, I really love him. I love him so much.
I know. I also know that was the reason you served Prince Afam the breakfast. I know.
Yes. Yes, Dad. Dad, I know the Onowu respects you a lot. And I know he can do anything just to please you. Please, Daddy, just speak to him.
My princess, I know that you know that your dad will do no such thing. Yes. It's always good for it to happen the natural way. Let me tell you, my daughter. If that man doesn't love you for you, he will never love you. Even if he tries to marry you to please the father, or to even please me, the king. You know something, my daughter? You know your father, the king. I will never force any person to any man. I like it to happen the natural way. Love never develops in a vacuum. The natural way, my daughter.
Dad, I know. I know, but I'm just saying that you should just speak to him for once. Let him speak to his son. Maybe things can change. Okay, what if things doesn't change? Or it doesn't happen the natural way?
Allow things to happen the natural way. Like I said, love never develops in a vacuum. Your husband will come at the appropriate time. My pearl.
Hello. Hi, Sama. How are you?
I'm not here to see you. I was told the king wants to see me.
Yes, I know. But the truth is, I invited you.
You mean you lied with the king's name?
Yes, come on. That's the only way I will lure you to the palace. I know you too well. You wouldn't want to come.
Okay. What do you want?
Soma, you know I love you so much. I do. I can't stop thinking about you. Every time you're all over my head. Do you know I broke up with my boyfriend, Prince Afam, just to be with you? Come on, don't you love me? Take a look at me. Am I not beautiful? Your dream wife. Let's build our empire.
Listen. I appreciate the effort you put in just to see us work. But let's call a spade a spade. It's not working. It can't work. The same way you have no feelings for Afam is the same way I have no atom of feelings for you.
No, you can say that. Summer.
Listen, baby girl, it's not your fault. It's not my fault either. We can't work. No this and no peace.
Summer, we can make it work.
It won't work.
It can. Summer, please just think about it. I love you.
Soma, come on. Love is all we need, and I have love for you. I love you. Can't you see it?
Okay.
What's good? And what are you both looking at?
International footballer,
You have always been a very strong young lady who never cared about what any man would do to you. What changed? Why are you like this?
I love him, Mommy. I love him so much. I've tried to forget about him, but I can't.
So because you love him, you have to lie with your father's name just to get him to the palace. That's not good enough. It's not. But not to worry. Everything will work out.
Mom, maybe I should just pack my things and leave.
Leave to where?
I'll go back to Paris, or I just go to Spain, or anywhere. Somewhere very peaceful.
You're not going anywhere. You're staying right here with your mother. And I guarantee you, everything will work out fine, okay? It's okay. Alright?
Oh no, I am not happy at all. This wasn't what you...
I know! My son is very stubborn. Personally, I'm not happy about everything that has happened. But I made a promise to you that definitely Somadina will certainly come around.
When? When is he going to come around? Because that is what you keep saying. He's going to come around. He's going to come around. He never comes around. I feel as though you have failed me.
No. Don't address me in such manner, little girl. I can only do the little thing I can.
The little you can? The little you can wasn't what you promised me, or no? You promised to give it your all. You promised Somadina would love me. You promised I was going to have him.
Somadina has a heart of his own.
What does that even mean?
Meaning that whatever thing I do wouldn't change a thing. He can still do what he wants to do. Do you understand that?
What? What? What?
We don't give up when it looks like we are losing. We give up when we win.
Integrity. Baby, you are betrothed to a crown prince. Stop.
Hello? Who are you? What? My son? Oh, please, do not hurt my son. Can we negotiate? Where is he? Hello? Hello? My son? Hello? My son? My son? My son! My son!
Come on, shoot. Everybody is equal. He never compromise. A man of integrity.
Hey! Somadina! Hey! My son!
Pop of life.
I'm happy to see you, son.
Pop of life.
I am happy to see you, son.
I'm excited to see you.
Hey!
Somadina!
I'm happy.
Hey, Bulu Bulu Bulu. How are you?
Fine.
Oh, you still remember that?
Of course, I still remember this.
So you finally give up a premiership league to come to your fatherland?
No place like home.
I'm happy, sir.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
You look younger. How are you?
The little dollar
Please come get my bag.
Hey.
Yes, one of them. Yeah, this is one of them. Yeah.
You bought this car as soon as you came back?
Yes, sir.
You keep surprising people. You keep surprising people.
Well, let's go in.
You're
so,
welcome.
How is the Igwe?
Igwe is doing fine. In fact, everybody is expecting you, including the villagers. I will prepare him for Fala.
Yes, Igwe Sofala.
That is why we want you to come and witness it. After so many years in Europe,
I need to see the Igwe.
People are already calling me the son of footballer.
This is my dream. I'll leave it for you. I'll leave it.
So boys, if I throw this ball, you chest, trap and give it back to me. Alright, let's go. Move it. Let's go. Let go. On fire. Let go. Move it. Let go.
I'm happy to see you people again.
Thank you very much.
See Ronaldo, Eburi Sinabo.
Mancha.
Messi, Eburi Sinabo. Balotelli is a black man. So if they can, you can.
Sure. World best.
So don't give up. Never give up on your dreams.
Thank you very much.
No. Now who give up? Fuck off.
I swear.
I call it stages of life.
Exactly.
From here to the next level, to a bigger field, to international study.
Respect. Hey!
International footballer.
Papa, you see? Just nothing now, you're tired. I'm stronger than you now.
Yeah? You know his age. When you get to his age, you know he got TJ. But I don't mind him.
I am stronger than you. You're tired.
Chidan.
I'm not tired.
Oh, you think because I said I'm tired and you're stronger than I am? So Martina, let's go.
Let's go.
No, Papa, Papa, go and rest. Ejiri wear exercise.
I want to show Chidon that I'm stronger. I am strong. In fact, I am strong.
Don't mind Chidon, he's just a small boy. Ejiri wear exercise. Go and rest.
Anna, leave him to play now.
Pass the ball. Just pass it.
Hey! The King's Festival will take place in 2 days' time. And they just kidnapped the son of the king's right-hand man. What do they hope to achieve?
I literally forced my son to return. I had wanted him to get to see Igwe. I wanted him to be part of this year's Ofala festival. Now look at the outcome. This is the outcome.
Oh no.
Igwe.
You do not have to sound that way. As a matter of fact, since the existence of Amadike Kingdom, we have not recorded any kidnap. No record of kidnap. And I want to assure you, the abductors of my son, Somadina, must be found before the festival. If not, there shall be no festival in Amadike Kingdom.
Igwe, I feel strongly that the perpetrator is someone from this village.
Amani, it's true. I agree with you. Because I received that call, unknown caller. Who are you? The person refused. My son is abducted. How? The person hung the phone on me. It is because the person is from this village. It is only people from this village knew that my son came back from Europe. A stranger cannot do that.
Oh no, you are right. Makana obu ke no no but nke no n'ezi na azu dị na ngịga.
My people, I will see to the end of this.
You have 24 hours to release him, else I will tell the whole village who the lioness behind the mask is.
Nena, I can see something has eaten deep into you. You think I, Princess Adeze, will stoop so low to do a shit thing like that? You must be mad. Like you're crazy.
Hey, what's going on here? What exactly is going on?
Mom, can you imagine? Nena is accusing I of being responsible for Sobadna's kidnap. How could she?
What? How dare you? Mother, I did not accuse her. I was just speaking the truth. Tell your daughter to tell you the truth. She kidnapped.
I can see it's your plan to bring shame and disgrace into this family. You slapped me. I will slap you again.
It's just a matter of time and we will see who the real snake is.
Oh my God. Can you imagine? Calm down. But, come to think of it, are you responsible for Somadina's kidnapping?
Youths of Amadike Kingdom, Your Majesty. Honestly, I understand your plight. But I want to assure all of you here present that we are all facing this precarious moment together. But please, do not allow our attackers to thrive. I am your king. While I strategize, I would like you all to craft your own way out of this madness. I want Somadina back. By your standard, I want him back.
These are the youth of this kingdom. My son Somadina solemnly pledged and promised them to bring them closer to their dreams of becoming international footballers. But I tell you, if you do not fight to bring my son back, that dream is as good as dead. The dream will die a natural death.
No. On behalf of all the youths of Amadike, I give you our words. We shall stop at nothing until Somadina is released.
Yes.
Whatever it will take for us to get Somadina, we must do it. And make sure that his captors are brought to book.
My son, if you do this, this kingdom will not hesitate to do whatever you bid from this kingdom. I am happy.
Thank you.
I'm happy.
Somadina, my son. Somadina, my son.
Guys, listen. I think this is a very big slap. In fact, this is an uppercut. We must do something because if we don't, nothing might be done after all.
The question is, what do we do? What do we do?
Listen guys, we don't have to take laws into our hands. This matter has been reported to the police. So let's wait and hear from them first.
Which police? You and I know that at the end, police will not do anything. Yes! There is no need for this argument. We have to swing into action. We have to be very vigilant. If you see any strange move, follow it with all tenacity. Put your ears on the ground. If we maintain this security architecture, we must find where Somadina is. I think that's what we'll do.
Let's give it a try.
Yes, let's go. It's still okay. It's still okay. So let's go. Okay, let's try and see.
Sissimo, Stop crying, Stop mourning him. Somadina is not dead. Stop mourning him as if he is dead. Bikonu.
Francisca, you need to stop crying. Listen to Mama. The king has vowed that he will do everything possible to make sure that he comes back. So please, stop crying, Biko.
No! Am I a weird guy? I mean, you should be smart enough that dudes like me do not fall for cheap.
Isn't it obvious? It's obvious that she's in love with you.
Is that how people fall in love? I wish she knew she's just wasting her time.
Wasting her time. See, apart from the fact that we used to be best friends before you traveled overseas, have you forgotten I used to give you advice that kept you out of trouble?
Wait. I hope you are not trying to say what.
But the truth is best to be said.
Some truth are better left unsaid.
Okay.
Anyways, what's your counsel?
My counsel is simple. She likes you, so like I return.
It won't work.
Charity, Mama, what is even wrong with you? Come on to peel orange is difficult for you.
No mind her, Ajibo.
You are still on this one. Sissimo has peeled 2.
Mama, you know I'm not used to this. I'm just helping.
Really? You're not used to this?
Do you want me to cut my hair?
Who am I seeing his car? Is that not Onowu's son's car?
Hey, Mama. Huh? He's the one, oh, your future son-in-law.
Future son-in-law?
Yes, Mama.
When did you start dating him?
Mama, it's not me, oh. It's Francisca.
Sissimo.
Charity. Mama, don't mind her. She's talking nonsense. What are you talking about?
You don't know what she's talking about, and you are the one that is invited him. No, this is clear evidence. Look at him.
What are you talking about? I don't. What is he even doing here?
What is he even doing here? English. Huh? Hey. Anyway. Hi. She did well. Yeah, Ma, I never this is good. Anyway, You did well by inviting him.
Mama, I never invited anybody.
I invited myself.
Thank you.
I invited myself. Nobody invited me.
Serious?
Yes.
Hey, Mama. Welcome,
Mama,
welcome. Hey, come here. Why are you going inside? What are you going to do inside? Would you welcome him? Greet him. Welcome. I say kele. You are sir. Now, let us go inside, eh? Let us go inside.
You're welcome.
The great footballer of our time.
Onye nwere onye egwu nwanne chida onye kere nwanne chida o jere obodo oyibo ụlọ awọdụ nata onye egwu onye kere.
Thank you very, very much. Thanks for the meal. I enjoyed it. It's okay.
Your mother was the one that taught me how to cook that particular soup.
For real?
Hey, this particular soup. She was the one. She used to be my very good friend. You can ask your father.
I can ask my father.
I remember, you children of these days, you don't ask questions anymore. She was my friend.
Okay, that's nice.
Sisimo! Sisimo! Go inside. Did I call your name? Sisimo, come, Won't you see him off?
Why do you behave as if my presence irritates you?
Of course, it irritates me.
No, please, don't listen to her. You can come here as often as you want. This is your house.
Did I wrong you in any way?
Yes, showing here unexpectedly, I don't want it. I don't like it at all.
But I want you and I like you.
And I'm not interested.
Shut up! Shut up and listen to him. Huh?
Mama, it's fine. Thanks.
Bye, eh?
All right.
Looking forward to seeing you again. What footballer of our time? You know?
Mama.
My regards to your father. Stop. Why can't you wave?
It's fine.
Wave at him.
Mama, it's okay.
Hi.
Mama, let's go.
What is your problem?
Nothing.
Why is it that you don't like good things?
Mama, I am not interested. People should just leave me alone. What is it? I'm not.
You are not interested. When will you be interested? We all know that this is the right man for you.
Yeah, a footballer. Every girl's dream. Mama, he is not my dream, okay? I am not interested. I don't know when you guys just want me to tell you that I am not ready for marriage, not ready for anything. This one, you people should just leave me alone.
Charity, what did she just say? Did she refer to me as the world?
Mama, I wasn't here to know what happened, so I don't know who to side. Pico.
Mama, you don't know who to side?
I wasn't here, I just came out.
Oh, because I asked you to go in.
Ofuman.
So bad.
International footballer, someone award winner, somebody na one chida. It enter their eyes, yo. Someone is fresh. On the wall from Obula and on our side.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So what do you suggest I do?
Like I said, you need to give her some time, you know. She's going through a lot. You just need to give her time.
No wonder she behaves the way she does. I thought she was seeing another man.
My cousin is a very disciplined and principled person. Sometimes I wish I was like her. Yeah.
Please, I want you to talk to her on my behalf.
My mom is in the right position to do that for you. Because she has an unbreakable respect for my mother. I think she will do that for you. You have to talk to her.
You mean she's not seeing another man?
Why is it so hard for you to believe me? She's not. If she were, I would have told you. She's not. Anyways, thanks for the ride. I appreciate it.
Welcome.
Alright, bye.
What do you advise I do?
I advise you give him a listening ear. I think I see him as a nice guy. He's a nice guy.
Are you sure?
Come, I have a lot to gist you. Yeah, I have a lot for you.
I strongly believe that people that did this to him, that so close to him, that close to him, Auntie.
Everything right now is not important. What is important is you need to stop crying. You need to calm yourself and believe that Somadina will come back. Please. Please.
That is the truth. Sisimo, listen. There are things you will not be able to do. Right now, crying will not help. It will not solve any problem. No. I want to stop crying. I really want to stop, but I can't. Auntie, tell me what you want me to do. Okay. I'm confused. What you will do? Okay, listen. Most importantly, we have to pray to God so that God will keep himself wherever he is. First thing again, you have to stop crying like a little baby. Secondly, you have to repeat the first. Pray to God and stop crying. Okay? Wipe your tears. Okay? Wipe your tears. Nothing will happen to you. Calm yourself. Okay?
That you cannot run away from your shadow.
Dare you?
Father, what did I do?
How dare you spite this noble household? How? You told you know that my daughter kidnapped Somadina.
But Father, it's the truth. Isn't it worrisome that Somadina got kidnapped just a day after he rejected her? Father, she got jealous that Somadina chose another woman over her, and then she kidnapped him. Father, if anybody is not going to see Princess Adeze for who she is, I see it and I will expose her.
Shut up and listen to me. I know both of you more than you know yourselves. And I know what both of you is capable of doing. If there is anybody that is capable of doing that, it is you. But I'm not going to bother much on this business argument because you are my daughter. I am going to exonerate you. But please, I do not want a repeat performance of this, or I will do what you will never forget in a hurry. Be careful. I've warned you before, and I'm not going to do it again. This is my last warning. Get out of my sight now. Leave! All legs and no bread. Every time.